This is a very long-awaited collaboration. We've been working on this for, it's gotta be at least 2 years. Because I called Nolan, the owner of Thursday Boots, a couple years ago, you know, because we just done some videos together and I love what they make. They are the industry standard for price setting on this like these heritage goods that are in that $200 to $300 price range. It's tough to beat the Captain. They sell them at like $199. A lot of leather on the inside, truly Goodyear welted. Like, there's a reason why Thursday's so popular, and it's because they just kill it in terms of like quality per dollar spent. They're a new company, and they're pushing the limits. They're like one of the first brands to do that direct-to-consumer business model, you know, starting in 10 years ago when it was really, really hot. And now they're at where they're a big player in the game, and they diversified into sneakers, into jackets, into women's stuff. And so when I was talking to Nolan, you know, it was kind of fun because I was like, hey, I'm a big fan of your boots and shoes. Like, I love it. Like, we've worked together, but we've never actually talked. I was like, I don't know how to, I'm nervous. You know, I was just like, I don't know. And he's like, well, I like your channel. Like, we should do something together. I was like, I'm so down. Let's do something. What do we want to do? You know, and we like talked about a couple ideas, pitched a couple things back and forth. What if we did this? What if we did that? How would this look? And we just couldn't land on something like really good. But then like 6 months later, Nolan's like, hey, what if we make like the ultimate Captain boot? What if we just take every single piece that could be upgraded in the Captain and make it upgraded? How do we make the Captain boot undeniable? Because anytime you're at that $200 price point, you're gonna have concessions in quality, and you're gonna have to choose certain materials over other because you're trying to get it to that price point. You're gonna choose construction techniques, all these things. And I was like, yes, please, let's make the ultimate Captain. That would be so sick. And like, it'd be a cool way to combine like what we do with Anvil, where we're really, really digging through every single boot and shoe with the fine tooth comb, finding the quality materials, what they use, how they use them, why they use them. We take what we do and apply that to what Thursday does. And it could be a really, really cool project. And then we worked on it all of 2024, you know, and a lot of it was Nolan. You know, this is another one of these collaborations where I'm like, it was different from most collaborations because, you know, most collaborations we're working with brands to, we're working with brands taking things to the extreme, like overbuilt this, and let's try all new stuff here, let's try this, let's do this. And this was more of like the Captain boot built the Thursday name. The Captain boot is what started it all. It's maintained that $199 price point. It's one of the most popular heritage boots of all time.
Which Anvil wallet is right for you? If you want something light you can run with, put in a jacket pocket, or you only want to carry the bare essentials, the Claude or the Slim wallet have got you covered. Let's look at wallet thickness and number of pockets. Here's how the Claude and Slim stack up. With 2 pockets each and a thickness of 4.2 millimeters, these wallets are super light and minimal. And the hand stitching and full grain leather make them extra durable. Get yours at roseanvil.com. Up next, a wallet for people who want a little bit more space.
And so how it would go down is like, Nolan would send me some swatches, like, what do you think of these? I'm like, we should do those and those. Wait, what do you think of this concept? Do we do more like American style leathers, or do we do like this kind of leather? Do we launch this like this? And so we just did a lot of back and forth, figuring out what this actually is, what it means, how we're gonna strategize it, how do we make it undeniable, ultimately? Because that's the most fun thing to do. That's why there's a part of me that always loves doing sponsored videos, because it's a little bit of a challenge. Be like, prove me wrong. Like, prove me wrong. What did I get wrong? Like, nobody's perfect. We all make mistakes. Not every single one of my videos is perfect. Not every single sponsored video is perfect, but prove me wrong. I like that challenge. I like that pushing. I like that being like, oh, you think that? Well, look at this. Prove this wrong. You know, and so the whole concept of working with Thursday on their most popular boot, making it the most undeniable boot they've ever made, was like, it's like a dream project. But this is the final try-on pair. You know, I've got a bunch of pairs. We're doing heel heights, toe spring, widths, you know, colors of leathers, amount of eyelets versus speed hooks, all the little tiny details that got it to this point where this is just my final wear. It's like, is everything dialed in? Let's wear it for a month or so. Let's see if it's just, is it perfect? Is it undeniable? And that's exciting. So let's unbox it. What are we doing for a knife today? I've been really obsessed with these big idea knives. Big idea design knives. This one is really nice. This actually is kind of, this is a good comparison, right? Like, this is just a utility knife. You know, this is the type of knife you carry around on the job site because it's got a replaceable blade. You know, the guys that work in warehouses use these knives all day, and they're always like cheap Milwaukee plastic handles, or they're just, you know, they're just cheap utility knives. And those cheap new utility knives are no different than your cheap boots, like your Carhartts, like your Brunts. You know, they're just budget friendly. They're trying to make them as cheap as possible to make them as affordable as possible. Then you have boots like this. You got your ultra high-end stuff, beefy to the max, overbuilt, so many redundant materials. Most people are never even gonna wear out a pair of these, especially if they're not working in them. And there's always that point of diminishing return. The more money you spend on something, you do get finer and finer details, more durability, more of this, but it does start to wane as every $50 you spend. That's what these knives are. This is just like the ultimate high-end work knife, in the same way that this is the ultimate high-end work boot. And so it's just fun because it's like titanium, it's really well designed, it's really smooth, and it, you know, I love knives, but I hate sharpening knives, and this is like a nice solution for me. And so they also have this one. This is the other one I've been liking for a fixed blade. It's just a tight little titanium handle. I just like it. It's got a really nice heft to it. Kydex handle. But I always like this one. I just like the replaceable blades. All the knife guys are like, oh, you need to grow up. Quit using those freaking razor blades, bro. And I was like, oh, I don't have to sharpen it. It's easy. So let's do it. And they're always sharp, you know. If you bounce it off the pavement or something, all you do is put a new blade in. You don't have to sharpen it. Don't have to stress about ruining your fancy steel. Eventually I'll grow up in the knife world, I'm sure, and I'll be like, oh, I was such an idiot early on. All I wanted was these cheap little blades. I didn't understand the value. But right now, razor blades work really well. It's been a long time coming. So, let's see how they turned out. A box inside a box. Laces. Ooh. Look at that. Yes. Oh my gosh. I don't know if I'm supposed to show this tag, but look at, that's a cool tag. This is so cool. So you can see the difference, right? You can see that's just a little bit bigger of a heel than the regular Captain. You got that full length leather midsole. You've got that new Thursday outsole with the little brass tacks in the heel, sewn through, Goodyear welted. You can see that the toe's a little bit bulbousy too. You know, because it's that fine line of keeping that Thursday Captain DNA while still making it more heritage. And we'll go over more of the details of what we actually did here. But look at it. And this thing is, like I said, it's pretty flawless. I think we got this thing dialed in. Okay, let's try it on. I guess show this other one. So I gotta start wearing these things. Start breaking them in. What am I wearing? The opposite. These palladiums. I do really like these palladiums. This is like their foam soled ones. You know, they're kind of falling apart. You can see it's delaminating there. All that through there. You know, they're cheap boots. The reason I'm wearing them is because it'd be pretty sick if there was a higher quality version of these. And palladium has zero interest in it. So, who knows? Maybe we'll do it. Okay, first try on. It's funny too, I really enjoyed this project because I go too far down the road when it comes to design. Like I've said, me and Taylor talk about, it's like when Taylor started first working here, he's like, do we have to have 20 prototypes for coasters? Like it's a round circle. How many prototypes do we need to do? And I'm like, we gotta get it perfect. We gotta go back and forth for 3 months to get this thing right. And then eventually, you know, me and Taylor found our groove and now it works perfectly and me and Taylor can prototype really quick. But we're very deep on the prototype and we go hard, and so does Nolan. And I would say even more so, because we'll talk more about it later, but the amount of prototypes that Nolan put through the factory for these, it's insane. And so it's fun when you share that with somebody, when you're like, you're you've got a little bit of an obsessive personality, and you're in the footwear industry, and we're aligned in a lot of ways, did we just become best friends? Ooh. What size is this?
9.5.
Yeah, because I usually wear 10s in Thursdays, but I think I'm gonna end up going half a size down to a 9.5, because I'm 10 on the Brannock. I wear 10s in most Thursdays. Ooh, this is good. And this is down to a 9.5 from a 10 Brannock. Oh, look at that. A pair of boots that actually laces up all the way on me. And then mostly Nolan nailed this last. It is very comfortable. Look at those. They look good in my Wranglers, too. Yeah, this is good. This is getting good. I think people are gonna freak out about these boots because they've already been, because this was supposed to launch 2024 in fall. But, and this, like I just mentioned, me and Nolan are just like, it has to be perfect. I don't care if it's like, if we miss a deadline, we gotta nail this thing. We gotta make it undeniable. And so because of that, it got postponed. And they've since launched some other similar style stuff with there's a bruiser boot or something. Carl Morowski, I think, did a collaboration on a little sprung toe boot with them. And they've really been dipping into this true heritage world. And also, one thing I really like, look at this heel. See how it's a little tapered in. It's not flat. It's not scooped out like a logger heel. It's just a small taper in. Gives it just a little bit of a Western flair to me. Because that heel's not small. And so having that in there, that little slant to the heel makes it perfect. Makes it a little bit Western, which I love. Okay, now time to wear them. So I'm gonna do my final wear review on these and get them broken in, maybe take them on some hikes for a quick break-in, do everything that I need to do to make sure that I feel like this is undeniable. So thank you guys for watching. Get on that limited edition email list via the links in my description for when these drop. They're still gonna be limited quantities. And there's no guarantees. It's like it might be a one-time project, it might be something we do for the foreseeable future, it might be in between, it might be, you just don't know. So get on that limited edition email list and get ready for this drop, because we're gonna send you, not only do you get early access, you get the sizing guides, you get specs, you get how to wear, you get all the back-end information, some exclusive content leading up to the launch, and then you get early access on the launch. And so you guarantee as much of a chance to get a spot for these as possible. So thank you guys, and get ready for the drop. And a huge shout out to Thursday for letting me be a part of this. It's a really cool project because it's a special boot for Thursday. It's the boot that built the Thursday brand. And I feel very honored that they wanted me to be a part of it and help make this boot undeniable. And I think we're almost there, if not there. So thank you guys. See ya.